Kenya too was aggressed and therefore condemns most unreservedly this blatant aggression and violation of our airspace. We therefore urge this august assembly to condemn unreservedly this naked Israeli aggression against one of our OU member states and violation of our airspace. Kenya cannot therefore be held responsible in any manner or form for collaborating with those forces hostile to Africa.